And now, back to Mugman, only on the GoAnimate network for adults.
Whoa, hey.
Hello, I'm SpongeBob, and we interrupt this program for some member taint and angers news.
Brett and Barney, get over here right now.
A tornado has been spotted touching down. We expect a tornado warning, so here's the foo at a job.
The following message is transmitted and request an emergency How We Act system. The National Weather Service has its 2 tornado warning for these following cities and counties: GoAnimate City, South Park, Steve City, Bikini Bottom, Edenadi Neighborhood, GoAnimate County, Helenwood County, and Vista County. For the sidelines of these following counties and set it, these are the following actions you must take. Make sure you have plenty of food and water, stay away from windows, if you have a basement, hide in the basement, and if you don't have a basement, get in a bathtub, cover yourself with a blanket. I repeat, the National Weather Service has its 2 tornado warning.